Hello, I'm here reporting from the train, coming from Freqs of Nature, back to Berlin, back to civilization, and we just gonna hear around what people motivated to go to this festival and how their experience was. So just follow me. Just follow me. Hello, my friend. Why you come to Freqs of Nature?
Yes. No speaking English. Come on.
Alright, we go on, it's not over yet.
I'm no freak.
Die anderen sind noch nasser, weil da nasse Klamotten sind.
Ist mir egal. Trocknet kaputt.
Ja, das ist auch so was, ja. Die anderen sind
bin ich
auch.
nicht von mir.
Besetzt.
Also alles was hell ist Bayern.
No more words needed.
Nope. Thank you.
Beautiful, thank you very much. So, why did you come to Freqs of Nature this year?
Because I want to make a plan to eradicate all the
Nächste
hippies.
Station. Woltersdorf, Stromtal.
Fair enough.
But I didn't find one. So I'm gonna make more festivals.
So maybe you should go again next year,
Maybe.
or some other festival this summer.
Maybe Morocco next year.
All right, interesting. What about you? Why you come to Freqs of Nature this year? Boring. Because you want to have fun, maybe? Or? Yeah! Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect. Great. That's great. That's amazing. Cool. Habibi. Why you come to Freqs of Nature this year?
Because I think it's a very interesting place where you can find nice arts and nice people. And the fact about it, the interesting thing about the mix between spirituality and freakiness.
The mix between spirituality and freakiness.
Because it makes me so wondering what it is actually. And I cannot really say what it is why I'm going there, but I can say it's just very interesting to be there.
I think a lot of people here would agree to this, I guess.
So it's
Hope so.
What's your name? Lily. Lily. Should we call it a round one from our interview session?
For sure. Peace out.